Hello everyone and welcome back to Turner's Tutoring. I'm Mr. Turner for our English video today. Our practice today is going to be all about colors. We're going to be practicing namely the vocabulary words of the main colors, and if we have time we'll go into some of the other colors for the Anton lessons. Let's go ahead and get started with colors. Red, green, yellow, blue.
Red, green, yellow, blue, red, green, yellow, blue, red, green, yellow, blue,
E D
red,
G I
green,
Y E O
yellow,
B O U
blue,
Our next one is orange, purple, pink.
Orange, purple, pink,
Purple,
purple, orange, pink,
purple, pink.
A A G E
orange,
A O E
purple,
E K
pink,
Orange,
orange,
purple,
purple,
pink.
pink,
I believe we have time, so we're going to go into the next set of colors. We're going to start with black, white, gray.
black, white, gray, black, white, gray, gray, white, black,
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 white,
white,
gray,
gray,
B O a,
black,
w, I,
white,
g, a,
gray,
Next one is brown, gold, silver.
brown, gold, silver, brown, silver, gold,
Gold, brown, silver. Brown,
brown,
gold,
gold,
silver,
silver,
b, ow, w,
brown,
g, o, l, d,
gold,
s, I, l,
silver.
Thank you for joining me for this English practice where we practiced all of the colors that they have in Anton. These are the base colors. We will be talking about colors next video next week. I'm Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring, wishing you good luck in your English studies. And if this has benefited you, please like and subscribe and share it with someone that might be able to benefit from it as well. Thank you again, and have a great rest of your day.